people, I'll be your host today, and what you're going to prepare is very simple. Scrambled eggs. And the first thing I'm going to do is shred our onions, and then where we're going to prepare our eggs is in a very amazing cookware that is Saladmaster. So the first thing is onions. I've already washed my hands, and then I put it in, then we shred it. So very simple to use Saladmaster. This is a food processor, can easily slice, dice, chop according to any size, any shape, depending on what you like most. Comes with 5 different cones. Easy to put my fingers inside, it won't eat my fingers, and I can remove very easily. I can easily put my thumb, but it likes fingers, so ensure that your fingers are not there. Then I remove it, I put it on the side, put it in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fry our onions with absolutely no oil. Oil is good, but it's good when eaten raw. Too much oil is what is bad. Yes, switching on the gas. Gas is on. The beauty about Saladmaster, you use very low heat. I put it on top and I cover. I'm going to cook it very fast. So the heat at the bottom is a heat on top. So it cooks in 360. So you don't need to keep on stirring your food. So my onion, I'm going to give it like 3 to 5 minutes, give or take, depending on how I want the color of my onions. Then we come back, I put my tomato, and then I add my eggs, and we make a scrambled egg. As you can hear, there's a clicking sound. So it's telling us the heat in the cookware is too much. So please lower the heat. So I'm going to lower the heat. And I look at our onions. So our onions are cooking very nicely. I add our tomato. Again, depends on how you cook your scrambled eggs. Some people don't use vegetables in the scrambled eggs. They put in the eggs, and you can stir very easily. So for us, I'm going to do tomatoes, onions, and then we add the eggs. So I cover it again and give it like 3 minutes. On, we're back on. So my tomatoes are very well cooked, well done. So all I do is I add the eggs. I ensure everything is inside, and then I stir. So the handles are cool to touch. When the heat is distributed evenly, so scramble the eggs. Yes. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it. So once I cover, I give it 2 minutes, and then we are back on. As we wait for it to cut, I'm going to slice our carrots, which I'm also going to spice it up a bit with my eggs. So I'm cutting waffles. They're like small crisps, so you can get your kids to have healthy crisps. Carrot crisps, you make different shapes, different sizes, depending on what they love most. So here's the crisps. So they're going to have a taste. I'm going to taste for you. Very sweet. I'm going to mix it with broccoli, and later on I'm going to cook them so that I can eat with our scrambled eggs and with garlic. So our eggs are nicely done. So I'm going to spice them a bit with black pepper, and then I wait to eat. Enjoy to do garlic, any other thing you want to cook with. Then if you haven't seen our Muse Beauty presentation, book an appointment with us on the numbers on the screen, and we help you to show you how we can be able to prevent these popular lifestyle diseases in our community, like cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, and the like. And commonly right now we have a very celebrity virus ongoing. We'll show you how you can boost your immune system using your natural food. So stay tuned, we'll share more recipes.